Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all of you are excited and ready for the next session for today, which is on 3D geometry. So guys, if you're all excited, if you're all ready for today's session, let me know with a thumbs up, let me know with a yo in the chat. Come on, quickly people, I want to see how many of you are really excited to learn from me today, and we are going to learn a very high weightage topic, which is your three-dimensional geometry. Hello Rishi, Saurav, very good evening Saurav, great to see you. Lohit Raj is here, Shiva Kota is here, fantastic. Rishi is also here, absolutely excited, very good. Kirito, resound is coming, huh? Is there a problem in my mic? Is it echoing to everybody or is it fine? It's fine, now. So guys, it's fine for most people. So don't worry, I think it should be fine. Hi Vinay Kumar, hello Vinisha, welcome. Hi Asta, thank you Pradyumna, I think it's better now. So people, before we get started, let me introduce you to the topic. Today it's a one-shot session. In one go, I'm going to complete this chapter for your JEE Mains March attempt. I'm going to make it super easy for you. So it's going to be an awesome session. Please stay with me and let's have a great time. So people, for those who are new to this channel, who are here for the very first time, let me quickly introduce myself. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics at Vedantu for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced level. And to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and after that I got into teaching, and it has been an amazing 6-7 years which I've spent with lots and lots of great students like all of you guys. Now I'm here in this channel to help you achieve that dream, that goal which you have set for yourself. Okay, so in case you want to ask me any doubts, you want to ask me any question, you can reach out to me on Instagram. I'm very active over there. So that is all I have to say. You are 115 seconds late. Okay, great. Shiva Koda has been calculating second-wise timing. So people, this is the schedule for this week. So as you can see here, we have a blank space. So today I was supposed to do functions. So guys, I will reschedule it to some other day. Okay, because there were some technical issues. I will get back to you on that. Reduce brightness. Okay, I'll try to reduce my brightness. A lot of people have been asking for it. So let me reduce the brightness before we get started. Okay, let me know if this is fine. I think now it should be okay, guys. Now it seems fine. Okay. So, very good, Nishant. Don't worry. I'll help you get over it. I'll help you guys get better at this topic. Okay. So, this is the entire schedule for this week. So, functions class today, I did not take it because of some technical issue. I will get back to you on that. We will reschedule it to some other day. Yes. Aishwarya, this is the 0 to Hero series for 11th standard, which was functions, which was supposed to happen at 4 o'clock. This class right now is one shot for three-dimensional geometry. Okay, so let us get started, people. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. In case anybody has not subscribed yet, please do that because you are in for something special. We have some great teachers out here in this channel. We have Shreyas Sir, we have Wasim Sir. I'm sure you guys are having fun, isn't it? So if you want to have that fun for a longer period, don't forget to subscribe. Hi Shimon Sir, Ninja Girl. Of course I can see you. Hi Rishi, Aishwarya, welcome guys. So shall we get started, people? Are you all ready to revise along with me? Boys and girls, my dear ninjas, let me know quickly Are you guys excited to learn and revise all about three-dimensional geometry? Please give me a thumbs up. Very good, Kirito. That's fantastic, man. Thank you, Kriti. That is so sweet of you. How long will this session be? I'm guessing it will be for 1.5 hours. So I think I will end it up by 11 o'clock. Okay, I will end it by 11 p.m. is what I'm guessing. So let's get started. Yes, people? Fabulous. So first of all, I want to explain the basics of 3D geometry. Okay, so please listen carefully, guys. So whenever you have a vector, right? Whenever you have a vector, so that vector will make an angle with the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Do you all agree with me on that? So any given vector will make an angle with your x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Do you all agree with me on that? Yes? Fantastic. So I do watch the chat carefully, Ninja Girl. Fantastic. Now let me explain it to you in a very simple manner. So let us say I have a vector like this, and this vector makes an angle alpha with the x-axis and beta with the y-axis, and let's say it makes an angle gamma with the z-axis. So these three angles are very important. Now cos of these angles are nothing but the direction ratios of my vector, or direction cosines you can call it. Okay? Yes, Surya, the PDF will be available to you after the session. Got it? So guys, this alpha, beta, gamma are the angles which your vector over here makes with the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now I will take cos of those angles, cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. These three parameters are called as direction cosines. These three parameters, cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, are called as direction cosines. So they are given the symbol L, M and N. So cos alpha is usually denoted by L, cos beta is usually denoted by M and cos gamma is usually denoted by N. Okay, and what is the relation which you have to remember? You need to remember that direction cosines are unit vectors. So if you square and add all of these components, it will be equal to 1. Are you all clear with that, my dear students? Everybody? Are you all clear with it? Everybody. Guys, please focus on the session which is right on your screen. You can ask all the other questions at the end of the class. Right now, I don't want anyone getting distracted, okay? Because we have taken a huge challenge of completing entire 3D geometry in one class. So please understand, my dear students, and don't spam the chat with unnecessary stuff. Percentile, rank, I messaged you here, I messaged you there, all that at the end of today's class, not right now. Okay, I will get back to you. Every person who messages me will get a reply. Just wait for some time. If I don't reply, please message me again. You have to understand that teachers get hundreds of messages. So it is possible 1 or 2 messages we miss out. So understand that and message me again. I will reply for sure. Okay? Got it? Perfect. So now let me quickly recap what I told you. So you have a vector A. So you have a random vector A like this. Now that is given as AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. That is a random vector. Okay, random vector. Now I want to understand what is meant by direction cosines, because that forms the basis. That forms the basis of this chapter. That is why I am starting off with that, and I want everybody to pay attention so that all of you are going to be at the same level and we can move forward. Okay, so what is direction cosine? It is nothing but it gives you or it tells you at what orientation is this vector. So it gives you an idea about the orientation of this vector. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to find out what angle my A vector makes with the x-axis. So for that, what I will do is, I will dot it with x-axis. So A dot I cap will give me the component along, it will give me the component along what? Along my x-axis, right? So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to A. Now what is dot product? It is modulus of A vector into modulus of I cap is equal to A, and you will have cos of the angle between them, which is alpha. So what is modulus of A? Modulus of A is root of A square plus B square plus C square. So this, my dear children, is nothing but your cos alpha, which is your L, direction cosine. Similarly, I can get M, which is cos beta, which is B by modulus of A. Similarly, I can get N, which is cos gamma, which is C by mod A. So now, what is L square plus M square plus N square? It will be equal to 1, because L square is A square by mod A square plus B square by mod A square plus C square by mod A square. That will be equal to 1. So this is a very important property relating to your direction cosines. Are you all clear with it, my dear children? All of you cool with it? Can you please let me know in the chat? Did you all understand what is meant by direction cosine and what is an important relation with all of them? Did you all get it now? Now I hope everybody is clear with the basics of this chapter. Yes? So what is direction cosine? Direction cosine is cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Okay, direction cosine is nothing but cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and it gives you an idea about the orientation of the vector in space. What does direction cosine tell you? It gives you an idea about the orientation, how the vector looks like. The information about direction is given by direction cosine. What is the important relation with direction cosine? Don't forget this ever. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Okay? So Aryan, please pull the video back and I'm sure you will be able to follow it. Even Vijay Kumar, you should be ideally able to understand it, because now 3D is there in 11th standard as well. So you should make an effort to learn it. Got it? Fantastic. Hi Megatronics, welcome man. Very nice to see all of you guys. Yes, I have JEE February attempt questions with me. I'm going to solve a lot of good questions. So please wait. We have something fabulous coming up. Okay? So let us go forward now. What is the next thing? The next word which you might have frequently come across in this particular chapter is the concept of direction ratio. So let's try to understand what is direction ratio. So guys, all these terms, direction cosine, direction ratios, are all pertaining to direction, as the name suggests. So they give you an idea about how and what direction the vector is oriented. Are you all clear? So direction ratio is nothing but some proportional multiple of direction cosine. That's it. So your direction ratios are written by usually ABC. These are the notation used for direction ratios. So this is nothing but some multiple of direction cosines. Are you all clear, my dear children? Are you all clear with this? So your A is a multiple of L, K, B is a multiple of M, C is a multiple of N. The same proportional multiple. Are you all clear with this? So that is how you get your direction ratio. So one good observation is direction cosine will be a unit vector, whereas direction ratio cannot be a unit vector. It may be, but it is not necessarily a unit vector. Are you all clear with it? Very good. This session will go on till 11 o'clock. I hope you guys are liking it. Please wait. I have a lot of good questions. I'm just starting off with the theory. I want everybody to be patient. You have to be here till 11 o'clock, so make up your mind. All of you got this idea? So direction ratios are nothing but proportional multiples of direction cosines. Direction cosines are always unit vectors, whereas your direction ratios need not be unit vectors. Got it? Now let's move forward. The next point. So what is the distance between any two points in 3D? It is very simple because it is just an extension of 2D formula. So 2D formula, you have only these two terms. In 3D formula, you will have Z2 minus Z1 square as well. So I hope that is clear for everybody. Hello Manjunath, welcome man. Hi Samhita, welcome. And Abhinam, that is fantastic. Good job. So people, if you are all clear with this, shall I move forward? Very good. You guys are awesome. Now let me move forward to a question which everybody can try now. Everybody were asking, right? Sir, why should we learn this? Direction cosine is very easy. Will you give me questions of JEE Mains level? Yes. From direction cosines alone you got a question, man. So try to solve it now. Now everybody try to solve it. This is a February JEE Mains question and this is something which is asked in mains. So you should be ready for this level. And I'm going to make sure everybody here in this channel is prepared to answer such questions. Okay? So let's go for it, my dear students. Everybody, come on guys. I want all of you to attempt it and preferably get it right as well. Okay, here we go. Please do it, my dear students. Okay, so Guru Swami is saying, sir, it came in my shift. Fantastic. Very good, Aishwarya. Very good. Lohit Raj is saying, sir, it came in my shift, but I didn't answer it. No problem, Lohit. I am here to help you now. It is actually a good question. It is actually a good question. Okay. Very good, very good. Abhignan Reddy, very good man. Superb. Yes, yes, yes. For mains, that is a good book, but if you really want to solve good level questions, you can go for your Cengage. Cengage is actually good. Okay, Kirito, not all questions are as easy as that. So of course you need to put some work into it. Everybody try to solve it, guys. Come on. Fantastic, Ankit. Ankit, don't worry. I will help you solve it now. Hello, Stellar Ninja. A lot of ninjas in today's chat. No problem, ICSE stuff. Manjunath Nemani is also here. So let me solve it. Listen carefully, guys. So first of all, I have L plus N. L plus M is equal to N. Is that correct, my dear students? Are you all cool with that? Yup, people. Now, can I square this on both sides? So what will I get? I will get L square plus M square plus 2LM is equal to N square. Now here I will get L square plus M square is equal to N square. Are you all cool with that? So L square plus M square is N square. So I will get 2LM is equal to 0, which means either your L is 0 or your M is 0. Are you guys okay with it? Are you guys okay with it? Everybody? Shivain, I'm not very sure, Shivain. So I'll have to check it and only then I can say. All of you clear till here? Fantastic. Because you are done half of the question. You are done with half of the question. Now, let us say, my dear students, L is 0. I'm going to do it case by case. So please listen carefully. I'm going to take L is 0. So if L is 0, I will get M square is equal to N square. And what is the other relation I know for direction cosines? For direction cosines, I know that L square plus M square plus N square, my dear children, is equal to 1. Now this is under because I took L as 0. Now M square is equal to N square. So I'll get 2N square is equal to 1. So I will get N is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So let's take plus 1 by root 2. So I will get 0 is L, M is equal to N. So this is one solution. This is one direction cosine which satisfies my given relation. But there are two lines because there are two lines which satisfy this. The other line comes from m equal to 0. So if I put m equal to 0 and solve it the same way, what will I get? I will get L square plus m square plus n square equal to 1. M is equal to 0. So if m is equal to 0 here, I will get L square is equal to n square. So I will get 2n square equal to 1. Now n and L will be 1 by root 2. So do you agree these are the two direction cosines that I will get? These are the two direction cosines that I will get. Did you all like it? So these are my two lines. This is the direction of line L1. This is the direction of line L2. So what is the angle between them? The angle between them is nothing but the dot product. So what is the dot product? That is nothing but cos of the angle between them, which is alpha, that is equal to dot product. So 0 into 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 0 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, which is 1 by 2. So cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2 over. So I'll have 1 minus 1 by 4 whole square plus cos square alpha the whole square. So it will be cos to the power 4. So it will be 1 by 16. So this addition will give you the answer, which will be 9 plus 1 by 16, which will be 5 by 8. So that, my dear students, is the answer for this question. Did you all like it? Very good, Zaref. Very good, Justin Raj. Saurav, Aishwarya, Monkey, Luffy. Very, very good. Manjunath has understood it. You guys are awesome. Killer question. This was a very good question. So this is what I told you guys. Even from direction ratios and direction cosines, you can get good questions. So you have to be ready for it. Okay, so let me summarize quickly. So first, what I did was, I tried to use these two relations and get a very nice observation. So if I take n to the other side, Nishant, and I square it, I will get this relation. Now, from the second relation, we know L square plus m square is equal to n square. So L square plus m square is equal to n square. So that will be 0. That means this product 2lm is 0, which means either L is 0 or your m is 0. Did you get it? Very good. Now I took L as 0 and I got the values of m and n. So L, if I put 0, I know m square is equal to n square. So I got the values of m and n. Got it? Then I took m as 0. Again I got the values of L and n. So that came out to be like this. So this is your L, m, n, and this is another L, m, n, both of which are possible. That is why they said two lines are there. Now the angle between these two lines is alpha. So these are the two directions. So the angle between these two vectors will be alpha. So the angle between these two vectors, how do you find it? You have to find it by taking the dot product. So this dot this is 1 by 2. That will be equal to magnitude of this, which is 1, into magnitude of this, which is again 1, into cos alpha. So it will be 1 into cos alpha. So cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha is 60 degrees. Okay. So you need not find alpha. Directly you can put it there and get the answer. So the answer will come out to be 5 by 8 or 10 by 16. So that will give you option C. So option C, my dear students, is the right answer. Okay. Everybody cool with it? Shall we move forward? Coding basics. I just explained it to you for the second time, man. Please pull the video back and have a look at it. You will be able to follow. I am sure of it. Okay. So guys, this is the solution of this particular question. You guys can definitely check it out. The PDF will be attached after the class is over in the description of this video and also in the Telegram group. Okay. So please do check it out whenever you get time. Okay. Because the session PDF has step-by-step solution which I want all of you to go and check it so that you will be getting better and more confident in this particular topic. Okay. Hi Naveen, welcome man. So let us move forward guys. Have you all noted it down? So shall I move to the next one? Everybody, please let me know in the chat quickly. So if you guys are all ready, then we will be moving forward. Okay? Okay, great. So now, what do we have here? We have a point x1, y1, z1, and we want to find the equation of a line passing through this point. So guys, we know how to find out equation of a line in two-dimensional geometry. We have slope form, we have 1-point form, 2-point form, we have intercept form, so many forms we have. Like that, in 3D, we have a way to find out the equation of a straight line. Okay, so let me explain it to you how it works. Everybody pay attention. So if you are given a point, let's say you know this point. I know that my line passes through this point and it has a direction ratio of A, B and C. So if you know, listen carefully, pay attention. If you know one point on your line and if you know the direction ratio of this line, then you are done with it, my dear students, because the equation of line is nothing but x minus x1 by A, which is equal to y minus y1 by B, is equal to z minus z1 by C. Sometimes they can even give you direction cosines. So it doesn't matter. In place of A, you put L. In place of B, you put M. And in place of C, you put N. So doesn't matter what is given. You can have either direction ratios or you can have direction cosines as well. Whatever is given to you, try to use it, because in the denominator, you should have a term which gives you an idea about the direction of the line. Are you all clear? Everybody cool with it? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So that is called as the Cartesian form because it is in terms of x, y and z. Are you all fine with it? Everybody? Now I want to move forward and teach you guys the vector form of this as well. So what is the vector form? So guys, in case you have R is equal to a given vector A plus lambda times B. So this is your direction vector. So if you are given the direction ratios, then B will be that direction ratio and A is nothing but the fixed point through which your line passes through. So if you are given a fixed point and the direction, this is how you write the line equation. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Gaurav, please pull the video back in case you want to redo it, man, because we are supposed to cover a lot of things. If I keep repeating it, then we will not have a lot of time. Okay. So guys, shall we move forward? Everybody? Yup. Fabulous, fabulous. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. So with that, let us move to the next one. Let's try to look at equation of line passing through 2 points. Now this is a very interesting topic. Now listen carefully because I'm going to explain it to you with reference to the previous form. So that way you will understand it better. So everybody please pay attention. It is a very simple concept. So let us say you have a vector. Now you have 1 point given to you and instead of direction they are giving you another point. So what is the equation of line according to the previous form? It is nothing but x minus x1 by A is equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. Now I don't have ABC here. So how can I get ABC? ABC is nothing but the direction of this particular vector. So this vector direction I want to find out. Can you guys agree with me? It is nothing but x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. Do you all agree with me on that? So that is gonna be the direction A, B, C. Fantastic, na? So when they give you 2 points, even if they don't give you direction, it's okay. You can figure it out. You can obviously figure it out. So that is what I have done here. So A will become x2 minus x1. B will now become y2 minus y1. C will now become z2 minus z1. Are you all clear with that, my dear students? Fantastic, na? So this is called as the two-point form. So equation of a line in 3 dimensions passing through 2 points. Everybody clear with it? Very good guys. Fantastic. Now what is the vector form? Because what I just taught you is called as a Cartesian form. So previously what did we have? We had r is equal to a plus lambda times direction vector. So a is a fixed vector or fixed point and d is the direction vector. So now a I have because I know one given fixed point. In fact, I know 2 given points. I have 2 given points on the line. I have 2 fixed points. So I can use one of them here. How do I get direction? The direction d vector can be written as b vector minus a vector. And then I can solve it. Did you all understand it? Very good. Fantastic guys. You're all awesome. Fabulous job. Now we will move forward to the questions where we can apply what we learned. Are you all ready? Yes, Denny Matthew, I will solve questions like that today. I have brought everything that you need for your JEE Mains. That is why I said, please be patient because you have time till 11 o'clock. We will have to solve till 11 because I want everybody to grow. Okay, we have to help our friends out. So I want you to be understanding. Those who are fast, I know you guys are talented, but please wait for your friends as well. And those who are slow, try to grab it quickly so that we can move at a better pace. Okay, it's all a team effort and that's why I keep referring to you guys as ninjas. We are one big family, so please do help each other out. Now, what is the angle between 2 straight lines? So now, let us say guys, you have 2 straight lines. Let's say you have one straight line which has direction ratios ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. A1, B1, C1. So that is the direction ratio of the first line. So we will call it L1. So L1 is this. Now let's say you have another line L2. Okay, so let's call the direction ratio of that as A2 I cap plus B2 j cap plus C2 k cap. Now these are the 2 directions. I want to find out what is the angle between them. So can I take dot product of both of them? Isn't that the right way? Because if I take the dot product, I have cos theta, where theta is the angle between them. Very good, Zaref. So what is the dot product? So can I say A1 I cap plus B1 j cap plus C1 k cap dot A2 I cap plus B2 j cap plus C2 k cap will be equal to what? So can I say, my dear students, that will be equal to modulus of the first one. So that will be what? Modulus of first direction into modulus of second direction into cos of the angle between them. So what is cos of the angle between them? The dot product will be what? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2. So it will be A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 divided by modulus of D1 modulus of D2. So modulus of direction 1 will be what? Root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into modulus of D2 will be root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? No, Sendil, this is for 3-dimensional geometry. Please don't interchange both of them. Absolutely right, Prudvi. Prudvi is fantastic. That is also correct. Okay, is everybody cool with it? So guys, this is for direction ratios. But if you use direction cosines, then it is directly L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. That's it. No need to divide by anything because this will be 1 for direction cosines. This will be 1 for direction cosines. So that is why if you have cosines, you can directly get it like this. If you have direction ratios, then you can get it by this formula. I've given you both of them. I hope you liked it. Did you all understand it? Did you all love it? Hello Nilesh, welcome man. I'm so happy to have you here. We are doing three-dimensional geometry today. For planes, I will come to it, Keshav. There are different ways to do it for planes. I will slowly move ahead, okay? Difference between LMN and ABC. LMN is direction cosine, ABC is direction ratio. I explained it to the start of the class. I explained it at the start of the class. Please check it out there. Okay, so let us move forward to the next one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now moving forward, when do you say two lines are perpendicular? You say that two lines whose directions are L1, M1 and N1 and L2, M2 and N2. You say that they are perpendicular if L1, L2 plus M1, M2 plus N1, N2 is equal to 0. If this is 0, then it means the lines are perpendicular. But if they are proportional, then the lines are said to be parallel. If they are proportional, then the lines are said to be parallel. Are you clear with this, guys? Are you all fine with this? This is true even for direction ratios. This is true even for direction ratios. Exactly, Abhiram. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Yes, Funny. I am solving problems also, na? Exactly, Rishabh. You are absolutely right. Very good, very good. Slowly we will come to that. Please wait for it, guys. I want all of you to be patient. We will cover everything because this is a one-shot class. In one shot, I will do all the concepts necessary for your March attempt. Okay, so please wait for it. You guys are cool with it? Guys, just because I gave LMN, don't think it is only for direction cosines. I'm trying to cover that also because some of you might think, sir gave LMN, so this is only valid for direction cosines. No, 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 no. It is valid even for direction ratios. So if you have A1, B1, C1 and if you have A2, B2, C2, so if these two are perpendicular, then A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0, my dear students. If it is equal to 0, then they are perpendicular, and if they are proportional, they are parallel. Are you all clear? So it is valid even for direction ratios. Don't forget that. Are you all clear with this? So shall we move forward? Everybody? Yes, I just want to put that out there because I know some of you will be like, sir, you gave only LMN, sir. What about ABC? Guys, it's valid for both. Clear? Fantastic. So let us go ahead. Now finally we have a problem. Let's do it, my dear children. Shady Gamer, love you guys, man. Thank you. That is so sweet of you guys. A lot of people do message me from Kashmir. Lovely students, great people. Yes, Nishant, I will try to do it. Great, Saurav. Class up to Adhavan, I will take up to 11 p.m. Okay, it will be up to 11 p.m. Nilesh, my screen is visible to everybody, man. How come? Yes, Shreya, of course. All the places. Lot of people from Kerala as well. And many from Tamil Nadu, man. Of course, I can't forget all the places. You guys are amazing. Together, you ninjas make my day. Very good, Ayush. So guys, this one, I'm going to solve it by substitution. I'm not going to do it by the right method. But however, since this is JEE Enthuse channel, I will of course tell you the right way. But I'm not going to solve it completely by the right way. Because there's no point, man. If you solve it by Jugaad, you can solve it in under 15 seconds. Why, sir? How, sir? What, sir? Because, guys, the options are very badly designed. So, first of all, the line passes through 0, 1 and 2. So, it should be of the form x minus 0 by a is equal to y minus 1 by b is equal to z minus 2 by c. So, all of the lines are in that format. So, perfect. I just need to find out these three parameters and I'm done. Now, these two lines are perpendicular. So, can I say 2 into a plus 3 into B plus minus 2 into C should be 0. Now check which option satisfies that. Over. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. So which option satisfies it? Check it out. It will be only option D. So this is the best way to solve this question. I don't want you to solve it fully. So this is how you solve it in an exam, guys. You need to think of better ways for better questions. So this was a Laddu question. So Laddu questions have to be solved by Laddu methods. Okay. Yes. Doubt. Please tell me. Guys, many of you are saying that I can't see the screen properly. Why is the screen not visible? I don't understand. The screen is fine, right? Guys, please increase your internet speed. See, you have to watch at higher resolution because I'm using something like a TV, right? This is basically a TV, guys. Okay, so you need to increase your resolution. Only then you will see it clearly. Otherwise, you cannot see it. Okay, so I will explain again. Nagalakshmi, listen carefully. So any line equation is given as x minus x1 by A equal to y minus y1 by B is equal to z minus z1 by C. You know that? Nagalakshmi and all the others, my dear ninjas, please let me know. Are you all cool with that? Now, after you do that, the next step is look at the options. All of the options are like that only. So I know I'm doing it correct. Okay. Now next step is, Nagalakshmi, that this direction and this direction are perpendicular. So 2, 3, minus 2 is the given line and our line ABC direction. These two are perpendicular. Just now I gave you a formula, na? Just now I gave you. Not even 5 minutes back, man. 3 minutes back I gave you a formula. So apply this. If they are perpendicular, their dot product will be 0. So what is the dot product? 2 into A, 2A, 3 into B, 3B, minus 2 into C, minus 2C is 0. Okay. Are you all clear? That's it. Look at which option satisfies this. There will be pakka only one option. This is the normal way of doing it. So Siddhartha Tiwari, if they are perpendicular, dot product is 0, na? It is dot product 0, right? You have learned that in physics also. Whenever two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. That's what I've done. Okay. So this is the best way to solve this question. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is for class 12th, Ayush. Please don't spam the chat, man. You have been saying that for a long time. Okay. And I hope everybody is clear. No, man, it cannot be having the same. It cannot be having the same. You're saying, what if two values of A, B and C are satisfying it? Then you have to solve it completely. So what is the right way to solve it? The right way to solve it is, you have this line. What is this line? X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 1 by minus 2. So any point on this line can be given as 1 plus 2k, comma 3k minus 1 and 1 minus 2k. So this is any point on this line. Now we want to find 0, 1, 2. From here a perpendicular is drawn. This line we want to find. Are you all cool with it? Are you all cool with it? We want to find this line. Now what is the direction of this line? The direction of this line is this minus that. So it will be 1 plus 2k, 3k minus 1 minus 1. So it will be 3k minus 2. Direction of this line, okay, the perpendicular. 1 minus 2k minus 2. So it will be 1 minus 2k minus 2 will be minus 1 minus 2k. Now this is the direction of the perpendicular. So if I dot it with the direction of this one is what? 2, 3 minus 2. So if I dot this with 2, 3 minus 2, I should get 0. Now that will give me the value of k. Once you get the value of k, put it back here, you will get this point. Once you get this point, you can get the line over. That is the way to do it in the right way. This will be a lengthy method. That is why I went for Jugaad, shortcut. You apply substitution. Okay? Did you all like it? Very good, Shreyas. That is fantastic, man. I'm sure you will get a lot of NIDs with that. But if you want top branches, you need to increase your score. You need to even go higher. So guys, shall we move forward? Very good, very good. So let us move ahead to the next one. Thank you, Siddhartha. That is so sweet of you guys. So I've attached the solution, guys, and I have completely given you an elaborate explanation. Do check it out and then make use of it. Now let's move forward. Hello Lakshya, welcome man. Thank you. Thank you Samala, Sai Vivek. Great, I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying it. Jasleen, you can increase it to 95 plus easily with the help of crash course, which is mentioned at the top of the chat. If you join the crash course, I can assure you by 1 month time, you will be able to increase by 30 to 40 marks. That is my guarantee, and you can check it out and you will see it for yourself. Very good. So Jasleen, I hope I answered your question. At the top of the chat, you can see the crash course link. It is for a price of 7K. You can check it when you have time. Okay. Yes, Srivatsava, the PDF will be available to you right after the class. Of course, Sikandar, 99.67 is fantastic. So you will ideally be able to join Ekalavya. Jenny, if you want to improve, see guys, crash course is totally up to you. It is my job to suggest something good to students. Okay, and I have seen most of my students whom I have suggested have improved by 20 to 30 marks. I will not say unrealistic data. I will not say my students scored 99, they scored 100 marks more than what they got. It is very realistic. They did improve by 20 to 30 marks. So if you want that improvement, you have to get the crash course, and I will guarantee that 7,000 for 1 month for an increase of 20 to 30 marks is totally worth it, because your entire life is dependent on that. Your entire career is going to come out of it. So I wouldn't mind investing 7,000 for this brilliant crash course designed for you. Okay, so with that said, let's get back to solving. Everybody, let me know. Only Zaref has solved it. Only Zaref has solved it. What about the others? Raushan, tell me, man. I don't understand what is Z that. So Raushan is telling, sir, please solve it. Don't talk about crash course. Okay, fine. So people, let me know what is the answer. Only Lohit Raj, only few people have got it. Christopher Thomas has also got it. Fantastic. This was a very easy question. And guys, this also is there in JEE 2021. So this was a February attempt question. So let me solve it. So please understand, guys. You have a line. What is this line? This line is this one over here. Okay. Now P is a point here. Let's call it A, 6, 9. Now Q is the reflection of P about this line. So Q is what? 20, B, minus A, minus 9. Are you clear with that, my dear students? So can I say the midpoint will lie on this line? So what is the midpoint? Midpoint is 20 plus A by 2, 6 plus B by 2, minus A by 2. So can I say this point will satisfy my equation? Do you all agree with me on that? Do you all agree with me on that? Please let me know quickly. Very good, Naveen Reddy. Fantastic. So let's substitute that. So I'll get 20 plus A by 2 minus 3 by 7 is equal to Y minus 2, right? So 6 plus B by 2 minus 2 by 5 is equal to minus A by 2 minus 1 by minus 9. So now you basically have to solve it. Okay. You basically have to solve it. I hope you guys can do it. But I know some people will be like, sir, solve it, sir. Solve it fully, sir. What are you doing? Okay, let me solve it. Listen carefully now. Okay, so it will be 14 plus a by 14. I hope I am not making mistakes. Please do check it, guys. 2 plus b by 10 is equal to a minus 2 by 18. Is that okay? A plus 2 by 18. So now just cross multiply, get it, and you are done. Okay? Everybody clear with it? So can you guys do it? From here, it's easily doable. So we have had Shreyas say it's easy. Great, Shreyas. So I hope others can also do it. I will move forward to the next one. Rose tube, please pull the video back, man. It is very, very simple because you just have 2 points which are just mirror images of each other, and the midpoint will lie on this line. So rose tube, what you have to do is you take P, you take Q, take the midpoint of both of them. That will satisfy this line. That's all that I've done. That's all that I've done. I didn't do anything great. It's a very easy question. It's a very, very easy question. Okay, so are you all confident? So this was asked in February attempt. Okay, so let us move forward, guys. Let's go ahead to the next one. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now moving on, what is the condition for coplanarity of two lines? So whenever you have two lines, how can I say that these two lines are going to be in the same plane? How do I say that? So let me explain it to you how it works. So if two lines are coplanar, what I will do is I will take first. So let's say you have, okay, what did I do? Okay, next one. So let's say you have one line here. So let's say this is your A1 vector. This is a fixed point. And the direction of this is, let's say, B1. Now I have another line. Let's say I have A2 vector and this is a fixed point. And the direction is B2 vector. Now if they are coplanar, which of course they are, because I drew it on the plane, right? This is a plane only, right? This TV is a plane. So obviously these two lines are coplanar. Area of triangle is 0. No, man, that is collinear. Yeah, Jenny is right. Okay, so now listen carefully. So if I want to show that they are coplanar, what I'll do is, I will first join this vector, which is A2 minus A1. So guys, A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 will be under. So that is my condition. That is the condition for coplanarity. A very, very interesting observation. I hope you liked it. Guys, it's okay. Don't make fun of others. Please listen to the class. Everybody. It's okay. Everybody, please listen. Pay attention. So we have A2 minus A1 here. And then we have B1, B2, which are the direction vectors. Okay. So A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2. Because what is B1 cross B2? B1 cross B2 will be a perpendicular vector to the plane. B1 cross B2 will be a perpendicular vector to the plane. So if that and this are perpendicular, then this is going to be coplanar. Then this is going to be coplanar. Are you all cool with it? That is exactly what I've done. Yes? So shall we move forward? So that is given in your determinant form. That is what they have given here in the determinant form. So are you all okay with it? Everybody? Fantastic, Shreyash. So whenever you have two lines which are coplanar, then they will follow this condition in vector form. Exactly, Zaref, you are right. And this is the Cartesian form of writing it. So please make a note of this formula and we will move forward and try to use it in a question. Are you all ready? So let's use the same condition which I just gave you, which was asked in your JEE Mains. Can you believe that? Exactly same thing they have got you. They have given it to you in your JEE Mains Feb attempt. So please solve it, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Okay, so please go for it, guys. Everybody try and solve it. We will talk about how to solve it in a short while. I will explain it to you. Okay, people, are you all done? Everybody? Chandramouli says 44 by 5. We will check it. What about others? So Vishwa says it came in my attempt. Fantastic. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So first of all, guys, you have 4 points over here. So you need to find out this vector first. So the vector joining these two will be 6i cap. Then you will have plus 0j cap plus minus 30k cap. So that is my first vector. Let's call it AB vector. Now the second vector is BC vector, which will be what? Minus 6i cap plus lambda minus 5j cap plus 7 minus 5 2k cap. Okay, 2k cap. Then finally we have CD vector, which will be what? Which will be 2 lambda minus 1 I cap plus 1 minus lambda j cap, and then you'll have plus 2 minus 7, which will be minus 5k cap. Now, if these three are gonna be coplanar, then how do I do that? You guys must be very clear of it by now. I told you the method, isn't it? I told you the method. If these three are coplanar, what do you do? Everybody. So try to solve it and let me know what is the answer. Come on, guys. Everybody has to do it. I want all of you to try it out. So this dot, these two cross product will be 0. So it will be 6, 0, minus 30 dot these two cross product, which will be minus 6, lambda minus 5, and then you have 2, then you will have what? 2 lambda minus 1, then you have 1 minus lambda, then you have minus 5. So this determinant is 0. So you can find the value of lambda. Can you all do it? Everybody can solve it. Very good, Jenny. Very good, Shreyash. Very good, guys. Chandramouli was the first one to answer. Brilliant job. Hello, Madhu. Welcome. Okay. Are you all clear with it? So this is the method which we have to use. Very good, Kirito. That's correct. So shall we move forward? Are you all done with it? Brock Lal is also right. Very good, guys. Fantastic. Christopher, fantastic job. So let us move forward, guys. Everybody. So 44 by 5 is the answer. Everybody seems to say that. So I think that is right. Yes, in fact, that is the right answer. Good job. Like I said, I've attached the step-by-step solution. Make use of it whenever you find time. Okay? So let us go forward now. So people, before we proceed to the next topic, many of you were asking me, sir, can the crash course help me improve? I've already told you the answer. Like if you are looking for a 20 to 30 mark increase by your April attempt, then this is the best thing which can happen to you. Because our crash course will cover the most important syllabus in 45 live lectures along with 10 full test and 10 part test. We also have doubt solving. We also have strategy based sessions. So in case you feel excited, you feel like this might be your last chance to increase your score, then do check it out when you have time. Okay? So the price for this is a very nominal 7,000 rupees if you use my coupon code SJCC. So there are 2 to 3 people who have asked me about it. Many of you are asking me that you wanted to increase your score and you wanted to increase your percentile from 84, 83 to 95 above. Then this is the way you go for it. Okay? Because a crash course which is 7,000 rupees for math, physics, chemistry, all 3 subjects along with test series is a very reasonable deal, guys. Okay? So this is my code. the link is given to you on the chat. You can check it out. So 65, I would say you need to increase, man. Exactly, Shreyas. That is very true. So there is no upper bound to it, but at least there will be an improvement of 20 to 30 marks is what I'm trying to say. So that is a guarantee from my side. So Brocklal, the PDF will be given to you after the class is over. Got it? So sport, you need to increase the mark, man. 65 will not get you any good college. You have to understand that. Okay, so aim for 90 and above. 90 and above is good. Below that, it will be difficult, guys. No, man, Abhiram, it is starting every Monday. Every Monday it will start. But some of you want only the test series. You can make use of the test series also. So this is the test series by Vedantu. Again, same coupon code you can use. If you have any question, message me on Instagram. I do respond within a day or two. So in case you have doubts, message me here on Instagram and I will help you with any doubt that you have. So 20 to 30 marks can improve your percentile from 80 to 94. And I'm not even kidding. If you want to increase your percentile from 80 to 94, all you need to do is increase your score by 30 marks. That is why I keep saying it is important. It is important. Okay. So let's move forward. So 45 live classes, Keshav Singh. After that, you will have test series continuing. Okay, what language do you actually talk? I talk in Tamil, man. I talk Tamil, English. That's it. Majorly English, little bit of Tamil. Got it? So people, are you all clear with it? Fantastic. So now let's get back to learning some good concept. We still have half an hour to go. Everybody, please give me your full attention. Okay, I need that badly. One dialogue in Hindi. I really can't speak Hindi, man. And guys, everybody focus on the class. Half of them are chatting with different people. Don't disturb anybody, okay? We are all here to learn, so focus on that alone. Got it? So no nothing doing in the chat, okay? So come back, listen to me carefully. Got it? So let's try to have a look at it. Okay. So what do we have here? We have an equation of a plane passing through a fixed point. Okay. So my name is Shimon Joseph, man. SHIMON JOSEPH. Okay. Clear? So that's my name. Now let's get back to topic, guys. Please listen carefully. So when you have equation of plane, finally we are coming to plane, guys. Okay. We are coming to planes. We have finished lines. We have moved above. Now we are flying high. Okay, we are coming to planes. I hope you got it. So now, how do you find the equation of a plane which is passing through a given point? So that is found out by this particular formula. So equation of plane, when your normal and distance from origin is given, you can do it by this method, which is r dot n is equal to d. Okay, so that is when you have n cap. Okay, so let's not confuse. I will tell you a very easy method. So if you have r, if you have n given to you, then r dot n equal to d is your plane equation. Why? Because r is nothing but a point on the plane. So this is my r. Do you all agree? Do you all agree with me on that? Everybody cool with it? So guys, now listen to me carefully. This is nothing but a point on the plane. Let's say we will call it A. So now, can I say this vector is nothing but r minus A? Do you all agree with me on that? Can I say this vector is r minus A? Guys, everybody listen to me. Everybody. Are you all clear with it? So this vector is r minus A and the normal to the plane will be perpendicular to this. The normal to the plane will be perpendicular to r minus A. So can I say dot n vector will be 0? That's exactly what they have done. That's exactly what they have done. So it is nothing but r vector dot n vector is equal to a vector dot n vector, which is nothing but d. Got it? So that is exactly what they have done here. So in Cartesian form, it is nothing but A, B, C, the direction ratios of the normal A into x minus 1 plus B into y minus 1 plus C into z minus 1 equal to 0. Okay? Everybody clear? Because what is R vector? R vector is any random point on the plane. And what is your A vector? Your A vector is a fixed point on the plane, which is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. So that is a fixed point. So R minus A is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. That is R minus A. Dot n. So dot A I cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. So that is why A into x minus x1, B into y minus y1, C into z minus z1. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Fantastic, na? Everybody understood the way? I have told you the derivation of it in Cartesian form as well as your vector form. I am so happy that some of you are following it and you guys are all able to understand it. So shall we move ahead? Everybody. Very good, Venisha, Sridhar, that is awesome. So people, if you're all clear, let us move forward and let's try to solve some questions. Okay? Is that fine with all of you? Yup. Very good, Rushi. Very good, Shreya. Brilliant, Jenny. That's good. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead to the next one, which is equation of a plane passing through 3 points. So now I don't have 1 point, rather I am given 3 points. But how do I get the equation of plane? Very simple. Listen to me very carefully, guys. So first of all, what I will do is, from the 3 points, I will be given P, I will be given Q, I will be given R. So can I find PQ vector? Is it possible to find PQ vector? Can you guys please let me know? Everybody please let me know. Very good, Zaref. Very good. You are awesome. Everybody clear with it? Guys, please listen to the class and respond then and there. Okay. Guys, come on, guys. There's a big love story going on in the chat. Guys, somebody block him. No, please send him away. You guys go and chat somewhere else, man. Please don't distract me. My God. Okay, so people, please come back. No, grow up, come. We are all studying for your JEE Mains next week. So please come here and look at the content that is delivered. Okay, we will worry about all that in college. You guys can try it there. Right now, focus on getting into college. Okay. So this is PQ. Okay. So this is your PQ. So I can find out PQ because I am given both P and Q. Got it? And I can find out P and R as well. Yes. I can find out P and R as well. Okay. So now if I take the cross product of both of them, I'll get the normal vector, because you see PQ cross PR will give you the perpendicular vector. Are you guys able to understand? Everybody clear with it? So if I have PQ and PR, so PQ cross PR will give me the normal vector. Everybody clear with it? Yes? Fantastic, guys. So I have normal and I have 1 point. So can't I use the previous form and get the answer? That's it. That's all you need to do. So it is basically R minus one of the points. Let's take Q. So R minus what? Q dot n vector. What is n vector? N vector is nothing but PQ cross PR. Now that is equal to 0. Is that correct? So this is how you get the line. This is how you get the equation of plane. Are you all clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? Everybody. So shall we move forward? So this is what I've given in Cartesian form. Please have a look at it. Yes, Manjunath, no problem. I hope everybody has understood it. Guys, if you're all clear, then we will move forward. Srivatsan, R vector is nothing but any point on the plane. R vector is nothing but any point on the plane. Are you clear with it now? Yes, are you clear with it? I hope you are clear with it now. It is any random point, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, and Q is one of the fixed points. You can take any one of them. You can take any one of them. You can take R, you can take Q, you can take P. That is up to you. Okay, and you will take dot with PQ cross QR, because PQ cross PR will give you the normal direction. So I am trying to use what I taught you before. R minus A into N cap is what I taught you before. I am doing the same thing over here. Got it? Fantastic, guys. Zaref, triple product, not in this one, man, because this is for three-dimensional geometry, okay? So let us move forward, guys. Let's go up to the question now. Everybody, please try to solve it. Everyone. Sports news, of course, man, why not? If you want to improve, since you're at 65, it is very easy for you to improve. See, getting it from 65 to 90 is not difficult, but moving from 90 to 97, that is very hard. See, guys, that is the tricky part here. See, getting 90 percentile is not very hard, but moving from 90 percentile to 99 is very, very tough. Because of the density. See, I'll tell you, let's spend some 2-3 minutes. We have been studying very hard for 1.5 hours. So let's chill for a while, okay? So I'll tell you a very small secret. So between 100 marks to 150 marks, this is 200 marks, this is 250 marks, and let's say at last you have 300 marks. And let's say this is 50 marks. So between 50 to 100, you will have many people. You will have many people, thousands of people. Between 100 to 150, yes, you will have many, but lesser than this density. Okay, so you'll have something like that. Now 150 to 200 will be less dense. 200 to 250, very less dense. And this only this much density. So this is how the density looks like. So this is how much? 50 will be what? 50 will be around what? 60 percentile? I'm guessing 60 percentile or something less than that. 100 will be around 80 percentile is what I'm guessing. 150 will be around 90 percentile. 200 is around 98. 250 is around 99.5. And this is around 100. Okay. So you see, getting this 20% increase, you have to score only 50 marks. But getting this 50 marks increase will give you only a 10% raise. But this is 20% raise. So that is why I say from lower to higher, it is very easy to move. From 60 to 80 percentage is very percentile. 60 to 80 is very easy. 80 to 90 is also easy. But 90 to 98 is hard. It is hard. Okay. Did you all like it? So this is an analysis which I want everybody to understand. I hope you guys liked it. Now let's look at this question. Everybody solve it, guys. Come on. Everybody please try to solve it. Is that clear to everybody? So what do we have here? Jenny is saying C. What about others? Guys, please don't fight in the chat. Jayavira Kumar, you came late, man. So I think Srivatsan got angry because there are a few people who are disturbing in the chat. So don't get pissed off, guys. It's okay. I'm monitoring the chat. Okay. I'm monitoring the chat. Don't worry. I read the chat. I know every message which is coming. So don't worry about it. It's okay. Okay. Jayavira Kumar, you came a bit late, man. He got pissed off for some other reason. I'll tell you later. Okay. So now listen to the class, guys. Everybody. Okay. So let us then solve it now. Please listen carefully. The equation of a plane passing through the point perpendicular to the planes, this and this, is what? Very easy, guys. So I want something perpendicular to both these planes. So this normal is 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and this one is 2i cap minus 5j cap minus 1k cap. So I want a plane perpendicular to both of these. So I should take the cross product. Don't you guys agree? So if I take the cross product of both of them, that will give me the normal of the new plane. Are you all clear? If I take the cross product, exactly, Srivatsan. So very good, Zaref. Absolutely right. So let's take the cross product. It will be what? I, j, k. I'll have 3, 1, minus 2. And I have 2, minus 2 and minus 1. So let's take the cross product and see what's happening. So that will be I cap times of minus 1 minus of 10, right? So it will be minus 11. Minus j cap times of minus 3 plus 4. So that will be minus 1, I guess. Is that correct? Minus 3 minus of plus 4. So it will be plus 1. And then you'll have plus k times of, what will you have? Minus 15 minus 2. So minus 17. So it will be minus 11, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 17. So that is the direction. Only one answer is there. So I feel this should be the answer. Okay. So ideally, how do you solve it? You got the direction ratios of the normal. So it will be minus 11 times of x minus x1 plus b times of y minus y1 plus z times of, c times of z minus z1. So that is equal to 0, and that will give you option C is what I'm guessing. Obviously it has to give C. Everybody clear? So shall we move forward? Everybody. Great, great, great. So let us go ahead, guys. So this is the method to solve it. Nishant, I hope you are clear. This is what I have written it down elaborately. You guys can make use of it. It was a February attempt question. And guys, it's actually very simple. It is not a difficult one. Okay. So let us proceed forward. Everybody try to solve this question, guys. Come on. I want all of you to solve it. Please go for it, my dear students. Okay. Eklavya batch will teach you advanced level Lucifer. Guys, please wait till the end to ask general questions. I will answer your doubts, okay? But don't spam the chat. Don't type irrelevant stuff right now. Okay? We will do that at the end of the class. Keshav, if you have an academic doubt, yes, go for it. Please go for it. I will help you. Okay, people, are you all ready? Okay, Arfa, don't worry, Arfa. I will solve it slowly, okay? I will solve it slowly. I'll explain it to you. Very good, Aishwarya. You are right, Aishwarya. You have to use the concept of family of planes. So we have a plane passing through the intersection of these two. So you need to use P1 plus lambda P2 concept. So this plane equation is what? It is nothing but x plus y plus z equal to 1. And that plane is what? X minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So P1 plus P2 will be what? X plus y plus z minus 1 plus lambda times of x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. That's it. And the point 1, 0, 2 will lie on this. So put 1, 0, 2 on this line equation and solve it. So 1, 0, 2, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3. So what will be my value of lambda? My value of lambda will be minus 2 by 3. Is that correct, my dear students? Because this 1 and this minus 1 will cancel. Lambda will be minus 2 by 3. So plug the value of lambda over here and that will give you the plane equation. Did you all like it? Yes, Shoaib Khan. I will explain it again. So this is the concept of family of planes. whenever you have a plane passing through the intersection of two planes, then you use this concept. Whenever you see in the question a plane passing through the intersection of two given planes, you have to use this concept. So that is what I have done. So it is P1 plus lambda P2, which is called as family of planes concept. Okay, so this will give me the plane which I am looking at. I just need to find the value of lambda. So that is why they have given you this extra information. This extra information is to find the value of lambda, because this point, Shoaib Khan, will lie on our plane. So 102 will satisfy my plane equation. Are you clear? Everybody? Fantastic. Yes, Radhe, you do get questions like this. So P1 I found out in Cartesian form, because what is R? R is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. R is any random point on the plane. So xi cap into I cap will be x, yj cap into 1 will be y, zk cap into 1k cap will be z equal to 1. So this is my plane P1. Similarly, plane P2 I can find. So this is my plane P2. So P1 plus lambda P2 is equal to 0. Now in that, put x as 1, y as 0, z as 2, you will get your answer. Done. Okay? Fantastic, guys. That is the way you do it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is option C or A. Some people are saying C, some people are saying A. We will check it. It is C. It is C which is the right answer. Yes, Abhijit. We will start off right after your 10th is getting over. Okay. Thank you, Shoaib Khan. I'm so happy that you understood it. Okay. So with that, we will move forward, my dear students. We will go ahead to the next concept, which is nothing but equation of a plane in intercept form. So this is used when you have a plane and that plane makes an x-intercept of A and y-intercept of B and z-intercept of C. What do you mean by that? That means the plane passes through A, 0, 0 and the plane passes through 0, B, 0 and the plane passes through 0, 0, C. So these 3 points are on my plane. So if that is the case, then the equation of plane is given by this simple equation, which is very similar to the equation of straight line which we have intercept form in 2D geometry. Okay, are you all clear with it? Everybody? So that is exactly what I have given you. I hope you understood it. This is more than enough. You don't have to derive it. You just understand what x-intercept means, what y-intercept means, what z-intercept means, and the points will lie on this plane and the plane equation will be given like this. Clear? So let's move to solving now. Okay, what is the angle between two planes? The angle between two planes is nothing but the angle between the normals. So if you look at it, we have one plane flat and one plane like this. The angle between them is basically the angle between the normals of the two planes. So whenever you find angle between two planes, it is nothing but the angle between their normals. So I have n1 vector, I have n2 vector. So I'll take the dot product, that will be equal to modulus of n1 vector into modulus of n2 vector into cos theta. So the angle between them, cos theta, will be nothing but n1 dot n2 by mod n1 mod n2. That's it. So this is the angle between them, cos of the angle between them. Are you guys okay with it? Very true. It is very similar to angle between two straight lines. That is exactly what we have done here. Nah? So A, B, C is one normal, A dash, B dash, C dash is another normal. So it is very similar to angle between the two straight lines or two vectors. Okay. So let us move forward and look at some questions based on the concepts which are very, very important from this particular portion. Okay. Yes, Murli, please tell me. What doubts you have, please let me know. If it is academic and if it is relevant to this, I will answer. So now the next one is distance of a point from a plane. So let us say you have a point x0, y0, z0 and you want to find the distance of this point from the plane ax plus by plus c z plus d equal to 0. So this is my plane, guys, please note down this. This is my plane, this is my point. Now if I want to find the distance between the point and the plane, so let's say you have a point here and you want to find this distance. Distance between the point and the plane, it is given by modulus of, just like your two-dimensional geometry, ax naught plus by naught plus cz naught plus d divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So that is how you do it, my dear students. I hope you all liked it. Exactly, Prudhvi, you are right. Okay? Exactly. Yes, Ujjwal Sharma, please tell me what is your doubt. So guys, this formula is very similar to the formula which we use in two-dimensional geometry to find distance between a point and a line. Very similar to that. Okay? Very good. Radhe, I will answer it at the end, man. Ujjwal, please tell me what is your doubt, Ujjwal. You are saying only doubt. Please message me what is your doubt. Then only I can answer, na? I don't have any skills, man. Telepathy, unfortunately, I don't have. I cannot read your mind. So you have to message it, please. Similar case, okay. So how is it similar is Ujjwal's doubt. Ujjwal, for that you should know what happens in straight lines. If you don't know that, then it's difficult, okay. So please study straight lines. There you have a formula for distance of a point from a straight line. Then you will be able to find out why is it similar. Okay. What is the maximum time it takes to complete calculus? It will take, see, if you want to do it properly, it will take at least a week's time. At least a week's time. Okay. So you need to invest at least 1 week time if you want to do it decently up to mains level. Okay, so people, come on, let's finish it off. Let's finish it off. The distance of a point from the point of intersection of this line and this plane. It is a very simple question. Yeah. JEE Advanced? Oh, JEE Advanced, you will take a lot of time, man. You will take at least 1 or 1.5 months. Because for advanced calculus, you need to do a lot. It will take at least a month. Okay, so what do I do? So I have a line and I have a plane. I need to find the point of intersection. So what I'll do is I'll take it equal to k. So any point on this line is equal to k plus 3. Y will be 2k plus 4. And your z will be 2k plus 5. Isn't that right? So now xyz will satisfy the plane equation because I want to find the intersection point. I want to find the intersection point. Okay, so that will be what? X plus 3 plus 2k plus 4 plus 2k plus 5 is equal to 17. So 2k k will be 5k is equal to 17. This will be again, what? I'm getting 0, is it? Okay, no, not 0. 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. So I'll get k is equal to 1. So if k is equal to 1, the point is 4, 6, 7. So this is the point of intersection and this is the point given. What is the distance between these two? It is 3 square plus 5 square plus 2 square under root. So that will be how much? 9, 25, 4, 38. Where is root 38? Root 38 is my answer. Okay. So that is my answer. I hope you guys liked it. It will take only 1 week for JEE Mains, guys. Guys, for JEE Mains, it will take maximum a week because I'm assuming you're all on holidays. You have a whole day with you. So 1 week is more than enough for JEE Mains. For JEE Advanced, it will take at least 1 year, 1 month, guys. Okay. For mains, 1 week is enough, man. Really. Because mains calculus is what? You just have NCERT and 1 step above. So you can do it in 1 week. For revision, I'm saying. I'm not saying starting off from scratch. If you start off from scratch, then of course it's difficult. Yeah. Okay. So let us move forward to to the next one. So guys, angle between line and a plane. This is a very important point. Listen carefully. Because when you have a line and a plane, the angle between them is very different. Okay, listen carefully. This is a bit different. See, you have a line here, you have a plane here. So to find the angle between line and a plane, you want to find theta. But we have direction of plane in terms of normal. So I will actually get this angle phi only first. So getting phi is very easy. Why? Because cos of phi is equal to n vector dot your line vector, line direction. So let's say the direction of your line is d vector. So it will be n vector dot d vector by modulus of n vector dot modulus of d vector. But now this is phi, it is not theta, but I want theta. But the relation between theta and phi is, it is equal to pi by 2 if you add both of them. Because this is phi, this is theta. If you sum up both of them, it will be 90 degrees. So can I say phi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta? So that is what I'll do here. So cos of pi by 2 minus theta, because I am interested in theta, will be sin theta. Now sin theta is equal to n vector dot d vector by modulus of n vector modulus of d vector. Now I'll get theta. So that is my answer. Did you all like it? Did you all get it now? So shall I move forward? Yes, Lakshmi Narayanan, you will get the PDF after the class. It is for free. It is for free. Guys, we'll be done with it, okay? Because we are almost nearing the end. I think we'll stop with this question. So please try to solve this question. This is probably the last question which I'll be doing today. Everybody complete it, and with this almost every concept is covered. Make sure you guys are revising this and getting better. Okay? So we have lambda comma 2 comma 1 be a point on the plane which passes through this. If the plane is perpendicular to the lines joining. This is a very nice question, guys. Okay? So you have a plane like this. So plane is perpendicular to these two, the line joining these 2 points. So can I say the line joining these 2 points will be the normal to this plane? Isn't it fantastic? Listen carefully. Can I say the line joining these 2 points will be the normal to this plane? Did you all understand that? Yes or no? So what is the direction of the line joining these two? It will be minus 1 minus of minus 2, which will be 1. 16, minus 16 minus of minus 21, which will be 5. 23 minus 29, which will be minus 6. So this is the normal direction. Did you all like it? So I got the normal. Yes, and I also know 1 point on the plane. So I know 1 point on the plane, I know the normal. Can't I find out the plane equation? Very simple. What is it? It is nothing but 1 into x minus 4 plus 5 into y minus of minus 2 minus 6 into z minus 2 is equal to 0. So now find the plane equation. X plus 5y minus 6z is equal to 4 minus 10. So that will be 4 minus 10 and it will be minus 12. So I'll have x plus 5y minus 6z is equal to minus 18. That is my equation of the plane. Do you all agree with me on that? Yes or no? Do you all agree with me on that? How can you say it is normal? Manjunath, the plane is perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points. So let's say these 2 points I am joining. Let's say this is P, this is Q. Now the plane is perpendicular to this. So that means this is the normal to the plane. Did you understand it? Did you understand it now? Nishant, I just explained to you. This is P, this is Q. Now the plane is perpendicular to the line joining both of them. So obviously PQ is the normal. Done, na? So now find lambda. X is lambda, y is 2, so 10 minus 6 is equal to minus 18. So what is lambda? Lambda is equal to minus 22. Is that correct? Okay, minus 22. So lambda by 11 is what? Minus 2 square minus of minus 8 plus 8 minus 4. So I think the answer is 8. Is that correct? I think it should be correct. Okay, so with that it's over. Did you all like it? So guys, we'll stop here. I think it was a fabulous class. I loved it thoroughly. You guys can try to solve this question and let me know the answers in the chat. Okay, in the comment box you can put the answers. This is also a very fun question. You can try to solve it. And we have one more question. You guys can let me know. This is a very easy question. So P1 and P3 are parallel. Can you believe this? This was a joke. This was asked in February attempt. It was a laddu question. Because guys, look at it now. These two are proportional. 3, 15, 21. 2, 10 and 14. So of course these two are parallel, right? So I don't know why they asked this. It was a very simple question. So the answer is P1 and P3 are parallel. That's it. That's all you need to do. So just figure out that these two are proportional and that's it. That will tell you that they are parallel. Okay, it is such an easy question. Okay, so with that we will stop, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. And from scratch means how many months it will take for scoring well in advance. So Amarjaya, if you are starting utterly from scratch, if you want up to advanced level, it will take minimum 2 to 3 months time, man. Okay, because in coaching institutes, right, let's say Vedantu or any other institute, they teach calculus for almost like 3 to 4 months. I'm sure you guys know that. Okay, so it will take a lot of time if you are starting from scratch, but if you are already good, then it will take 1 month for advanced level. Okay, for mains level 1 week is enough. 1 week is more than enough. Okay, so guys, in case you are interested to join the crash course, many of you ask me, message me in Instagram, I'll tell you how to join. Okay, the crash course is, guys, it's fabulous. There's only one word for it. Crash course at Vedantu is very good. Many people are asking, Deepika Buddha is asking, sir, do you teach? I teach only a few chapters. I don't teach the entire course. The entire course is majorly taken by Ankit sir, and you have very good teachers for physics and chemistry as well. So in case you feel, sir, I want to join this, I want to know more, message me on Instagram and ask whatever you want, I will respond. Thank you, Kirito. Thank you, guys. You are all so sweet. And what is my Insta ID? I will let you know. So my Insta ID goes like this. It is SHIMON_JOSEPH. So that is my Insta ID. I think half my name is Amir Khan is hiding it. So let me write it here. It is _JOSEPH. Shimon_Joseph. So that is my Insta ID. You guys can definitely message me there. Ramesh, it is very easy to increase if you are at a lower percentile. It is very easy to increase if you are at a lower percentile. So please aim for it. Check out the crash course. And I have given you my Insta ID in the chat. In the chat, they have given you my Insta ID. Check it out. Okay. This is the price of the crash course. This is my coupon code. This is very important. Only if you use this, you will get a discount. You will get a discount of almost 3,000 rupees. Otherwise, no. Okay, guys. So we'll stop here. I hope you enjoyed the session. Don't forget to check out the crash course. Don't forget to check out the test series in case you want only the test series. Okay. Very good. So people who scored very high, many of you are messaging me yesterday, you got 97 percentile, you got 98 percentile. So Abhiram, for you, Ekalavya might be a very good thing. Please make sure you join it. It is for free, Abhiram. It is for free. Okay. So make sure you join it. You will be guided by Anand sir himself with the best teachers of Vedantu for advanced level. They will train you to get a great rank. Okay. And this is the batch starting dates for Ekalavya batch. In case you want to join it, check the link given in the description. You can join it. Okay. And with that, this is the Telegram group for Vedantu Enthuse channel, for this channel. In case you want to be a part of the information being shared, whatever events we are planning, you can join us in this group. And finally, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Very important. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share it to your friends, and don't forget to like the video. All these three are important because that encourages us, and that is what motivates us to do better and come up with better content for you. Now, questions. Reshmi is asking, sir, what can I do? Reshmi, 68, to be honest, it is going to be a bit difficult for you to get into good colleges. So you need to increase it to 85, 90 percentile. Check out the crash course if you want to join an online platform. Otherwise, work hard on your own. Follow my strategy video. There are certain easy topics which are very, very important and scoring. So you can do that. NTA score is your percentile RMS. Yes, Jenny, the class is over. We'll meet tomorrow at 4 o'clock, okay? So guys, are you all clear? Okay guys. Brock Lal என்ன சொல்லணும்? நாளைக்கு சந்திப்போம். Okay, so guys, all of you, take care and all the very best. Keep working hard. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, see you. All the very best. Bye-bye.